Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can disable or enable the Autoplay GIFs on your Zangi Messenger app. So let's go ahead and start the video. Open the Zangi Messenger app on your phone. If you don't have it, you can easily download it from the Play Store. Go ahead and open it and you can see the gear icon or the settings icon on the bottom right hand corner of your screen. Go ahead and click on it and click on Chats. After you click on Chats, you should scroll all the way down and you can find the Autoplay GIFs. Right now, it is enabled. If you want to disable it, just go ahead and click it, make it turn white, and it will be disabled. In case you want to enable it, you can do that as well. Go to Chat, scroll all the way down, and enable this Autoplay GIFs function. And now, your GIFs which your friends send will automatically be played. And it might consume some data, but your user experience in Zangi Messenger will be good. So I hope this video about how you can enable or disable the autoplay option of GIFs on Zangi Messenger was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.